Alright, so we want to write an equation to match this quadratic. So, and then it says the name, the x, and the y-intercepts. So this point right here is x equals -1, and this point here is x equals 1. And I know at that point we're going to get 0 equals x plus 1. Well, actually, let's do this. So x equals -1 and x equals 1. So what I like to do is I like to work backwards. So we know that when we have factors, we set this equal to 0, so we want to go back this way. So you get x plus 1 equals 0, and then here we get what? X minus 1 equals 0. And so then our equation is going to be 0 equals x plus 1 times x minus 1. And then I'm fine with leaving it in factored form, but you could multiply this out. And so when you multiply it out, you have x plus 1, x minus 1, so that's x squared minus x, x, and then minus 1. So then this, you could write it as 0 equals x squared, negative x plus x, that cancels out, and then minus 1. And so this is the factored form. And then this is the sum. Or actually, we can even call this the product, if you will. All right, so now either one of these equations would be fine. Then they wanted us to name the x-intercepts. So the x-intercepts, these values right here are the x-intercepts. And then the y-intercept is going to be at y equals -1. Or you could say it's at 0, -1.